What's up, Adam? Jordan. I'm gonna do another unboxing he picked up from C2E2 to see what he got. See what kind of goodies are in there. Hopefully not a lot of the same things I had.
Let's hope not.
Well,
I guess let's get cracking
let's do
this sucker open.
Jesus.
Well, dig in there. See what you...
Oh, yours is all stacked nice and neat in there, like
well,
Tetris.
Because I like my shit stacked nice and neat like Tetris.
Oh. A lunchbox of some sort.
What's in the box?
Nice.
Did you get a lunchbox with yours?
Yes. I got a Ghostbusters one and a Hulk Hogan one.
Hulk Hogan.
Hulk Hogan. This is from BioShock, is it?
I believe so.
Yes.
Looks cool.
Not bad. I like that. That's cool.
What's inside? Anything? Like...
Nothing. Just some more tin.
Better if there's a sandwich.
I can go for a sandwich right now.
Shit, right?
A cheese sandwich. Powers figure set.
I've got the power.
That one was a little bit provocative.
Which one? What we got here?
That one.
She ready to get into some action, I guess. Never heard of Powers.
I've heard of it. Never. Yeah.
Huh. Well. Well.
Not too shabby.
Is that a book? What do we got here?
That was a notebook, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Notebook Doctor Who. Blank pages. A dog meat from Fallout.
The hell's dog meat? Just a dog?
Huh? Named Meat. I don't know. What?
This, I don't know. I thought there'd be better stuff in it.
Oh, well.
A little more value for $72 or whatever the hell it was.
Yeah. Another Game Boy wallet.
Oh, you have that already?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Is it, I mean...
Well, if I remember right, it's made of Tyvek, like it says, so that
Mhm.
means it's pretty much indestructible. You can tear it, rip it, and it'll be fine. It won't. Tyvek. Poison gas.
Hmm.
You should wear this around your neck.
Right.
All
Yep.
the nasties that come out of that ass. I wonder what it smells like. It doesn't say. I'm guessing some sort of citrus.
Do I look friendly this time, or do I look just pissed off?
Like you don't know what you're doing here. Like you just wandered in and...
That's pretty much what happened.
Another Rubik's Cube. Ah, shit.
Way to go.
It's the same one as the other one? Yeah.
Is it?
Mario. Yeah.
So the little items are the same?
That's what it seems like. What is this? Shot glass set.
Did you get that in yours?
Did not.
I'm digging us and getting us some trouble here. Little bald Asian man. What do you got? Dude with hair.
Looks like me. That looks like you. If we were to be cartoon characters.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. What's this one? Come on, where's the name? Okay.
It's a domo.
Don't know. Yeah, I'm making sure.
Batman domo.
Last but not least, what is this? Killer Instinct.
Oh, no shit.
It's Hako. Below is your 25-digit code for... Okay. Got a head. Got some weapons.
I wish I could have got some head.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
that allowed on YouTube?
I apologize, YouTube.
Happy
Where is
walk.
it? Oh.
I don't. Hey!
She's all kinds of. I see her hoo-ha.
Upskirt, 2 points.
It's kind of cool looking. I like it. Okay. I guess it's for where we wanted to stand, I assume.
We'll figure it out. Oh. Well,
Oh, she.
feels kinda cheap. But whatever. Yep, look at there.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep, look at that.
Can you look at it? Alright, you knocked that off. That doesn't sound very good. Alright,
Looks like an alcoholic.
I guess. Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. If you order through the. So, that was his box from C2E2.
Kinda lame. Not real impressed. You're also gonna have a mega unboxing on your birthday.
Which will be the end of July.
Yes.
Very last day. July 31st.
It's something I put together, so
Oh, God.
it's gonna be epic.
Hope so. Hope it's not
Oh, it
gonna
will be.
Hope I don't get kicked off YouTube for it.
Well, I don't think so.
No body parts.
Nope.
No stolen money.
Nope.
Alright, we should be good then. So that's Jordan.
That's
Adam.
Adam.
Later, guys.
Meow.